The FODMAPs diet for IBS is stupid. Do not follow this diet. It will make your symptoms worse. And from a purely logical perspective that a 5-year-old can follow, you will understand why the FODMAP diet is dumb, and diet has absolutely nothing to do with IBS. Now, a brilliant German doctor, he looked at everyone's brain CT scans with IBS, and he discovered everybody, 100% of the time, had a ring in their brain CT scan, in the brainstem, 100% of the time. Your diet did not change. You've been eating crap your whole entire life, and it did not cause IBS. A stressful situation caused your IBS. Your diet has not changed its whole entire life. The 1,000th hamburger that you ate, the 1,000th piece of pizza that you ate, Donatello, Michelangelo, Leonardo, that did not give you IBS. It was a stressful event that caught you off guard. Stop following these stupid diets. They will make your IBS worse because you are going to start to perceive energy and nutrients as dangerous. How stupid is that? How dumb is it to perceive energy and nutrients as not good for you? This idiotic, stupid idea was not allowed to exist 100 years ago because if you were allergic to any food in your area, you would starve to death. It is only allowed, this dumb idea is only allowed to exist in this modern dumb era of health. We need to use our brains because ultimately your brain is controlling your gut. What is the stress that is causing your IBS? Was it a breakup? Was it something at work? Was it a fight with a family member? Did you make a bad stock investment and you lost all your money? What was the stress that caused your IBS? Because until you come to peace with this stress, every time you think about it, your body is going to put your gut into overdrive and try to help you digest this hard to digest thing in your life. This thing right here is called the lizard brain. It does not know the difference between things that you think about and actual pieces of food that are in your gut. So take the FODMAPs diet and flush it down the toilet. Take the book. It's summertime. Take that book, go out into the yard and make a fire out of it and roast your marshmallow. Roast your FODMAPs laid in. Put the chocolate in there. Put the marshmallow and the graham cracker and roast it over the flames that the FODMAP book is producing, because this diet is hot trash and is going to make your IBS symptoms worse. FODMAPs is a terrible diet because it's going to give you food phobias. It's going to give you food intolerances. All food is safe. I know you might be reacting to foods right now, but it is your perception of the foods. Were you eating a sandwich when your girlfriend broke up with you? Were you having ice cream? Were you having ice cream when you saw your boyfriend walking with another girl? If you have a food intolerance, it reminds you of the original conflict. That's how we develop food intolerances. Or we read a stupid book called the FODMAPs Diet, and you start to blame foods. You have a flare, you go, oh my God, I ate a hamburger, and the gluten, the wheat, that must have caused it. No, you have eaten that your whole entire life and you've been absolutely fine. When you resolve these stressful situations in your life, your body is going to get rid of these extra gut cells, and it is a painful process. And usually we celebrate our conflict resolutions with tasty food. And then we blame that tasty food. Do not follow the FODMAPs diet. Eat whatever you want. Find the conflict, resolve the conflict for good, and get on with your life. Ride out the healing symptoms. If you want my 30-day plan on how to get better, it's for free. It's down in the description. I'll see you guys later. Hit the like and hit the subscribe button. Bye-bye.